Hey friends, Yoga Trevor here. Another blanket video. I know, so many blanket videos. One of the most important things about using the blanket is how you fold it. If you fold it messy and there's wrinkles and bumps, you're gonna knock your pose out of whack or crooked and you may mess up your alignment. So I like to use these Mexican blankets. They are woven, they're not too thick. You can fold them in many different shapes and they're kind of soft on the skin. These ones are pretty cheap acrylic ones that I got from a yoga supply company many years ago. But whatever blanket you use, the way you fold it is important. I like to take mine and fold it long ways first. Important here, make sure that the edges line up. Otherwise, you're gonna have kind of lumps and bumps as you get going even farther. So now I've got a long fold, almost like your yoga mat shape. Next fold is to take that and fold it in half. So I end up with this rectangle-like shape. This is the shape that we start a blanket roll with. From here, we fold it one more time and we get what's called a square shape. This is a very useful shape when you're sitting, when you're on your hands and knees. It gives a good amount of padding, but not too thick, and doesn't knock you too out of balance. Depending on what kind of blanket you have and how thick it is, this might be your limit, because folding it again could get a little bit lumpy. But with these blankets, I can fold them one more time and get a pretty good smooth fold, and this is what I like to use for sitting on. I'll take one or even two and stack them up. Important note about stacking. Whenever you're stacking your blankets, leave the bottom blanket like an inch further forward than the top. So we're kind of creating like a staircase so that is an even, firm base of support. If my blankets aren't stacked neatly or the top blanket comes forward, then I end up with kind of rough, bumpy edges, and then again, my support isn't as good. These blankets, I wouldn't really fold more than this for structural support, but if I'm just like padding up under something like a pigeon or my knee in Baddha Konasana, I might fold it again just to get like just a bigger pillow to shove underneath the space that needs a little bit of support. So yeah, real quick, that's how I fold my blankets. Just make sure they're neat, check them every time because you don't want that uneven platform underneath you. Thanks for watching.